your lady, bringing for you a grant that is more huge and big than ever grants we've ever brought here on this platform. We are bringing for you a grant that is worth 300 US dollars. It is supposed to be given to 5 people as long as they meet the criteria. And we always tell you that grants can be given by individuals, can be given from individuals, can be given from government or from organizations. They can be business grants, they can be calamity grants, or can be welfare grants. But this grant in particular is business grant, and it is given from the group of organization or from an organization. That one is called Glossier or Glossier Grant Program. You may call it in any way that you know, but it is GLOSSIER. That is Glossier Grant Program. Glossier is a company that deals with beauty, and they came up with a vision, with a mission to change the world of how they look towards the beauty, or they look or they consider the beauty. How do they consider to change the world? They consider to change the world by changing themselves, by changing the people and the individuals who are dealing with beauty products. So this program, or the grant program, is for you who is into business, who says you want to deal into products, or you have an idea or a chance of dealing with beauty products. So this is Christine once again. How are you doing? We are here to let you know that we love you so much and welcome you once again to Immaculate Show. Immaculate Show is a platform that brings videos almost every day on grants, on making money online, on how to build and how to grow on your social media with your phone, within you and around you. Let's dive in and see this grant. Let's dive in and see what Glossier Grant Program has here to offer for us. Glossier Grant Program officially announced its 4th grant program in May 15th. We did this video, but unfortunately we didn't post it. So we are here to edit it and let you know that if you're there and are dealing in beauty products, you are dealing in hair products, you are dealing in face, makeup, lotions in large quantities, gather here and you see if you can go home with your $50,000 US dollars worth that. However much we are talking like that, there is a cross. You should be from certain country. So what I advise you is to go to the to the website of Glossier Grant Program. Just key in that word. The interface will come like this and you will read more about it. So if you know you're into makeups, you're into lotions, you are into, and on large scale, you can meet the criteria. They are considering like 3 eligibility criteria, and I'm very sure that you can meet them. The first one is purpose. What exactly is your business of beauty all about? Is it only to impact you, or it is also to impact the community and the world and the surrounding about you? So if you're preparing to do this application, at least make sure that the purpose of your business can affect the community positively, and at the same time it can affect your livelihood. Then the second one is differentiation. When we talk about differentiation, how they will consider your application. Differentiation, how different is your business from other businesses? We have many people who are dealing into beauty products, but what about you? Is yours more beneficial? Is yours more touching? Is it doing something greater than Christine's, or it is something greater than David's or James's? So look into it and you see how different is your business from others. Then the last one, they will be seeing how big is your business, what is your idea, and what is your projection as far as the business plan is concerned. So I always tell you, it's not about the masters or the degrees that you had, but it is about the experiences and exposure. So if you know your business, you can go down and make a business plan. You know how to do a business plan. If you don't know how to do a business plan, go to YouTube, go to Google, go to ChatGPT and draft the business plan. If you draft your business plan, you make sure you make it yours, add value such that it can be yours. Now let's dive in and see exactly who are these people and how do you access it. Glossier grant program, it started way back, but this is their fourth grant program that they are going to give $50,000 to 4 people. It is in total 300,000, but the one person who already benefited from this grant, should we call them Almina Award, will be also getting 100,000. This is how different this grant program is from others. They are even considering other people who already got the grant. When you're looking at the amount of money, it means the grant is heavy. So you need also to prepare yourself, especially for people who live in US. You prepare yourself and really go for this grant. And for the deadline, you need to go to the website and see if this one has already passed. Can you prepare for the next one? Because this was the fourth, another one might be coming. So how do you access this application? For you to access the application of this grant, you have to open up an account on Glossier website. The moment you open an account, they only need an email, your email address, they need your names, and that's all. When you open it, after opening it, you go direct, after logging in, go direct to application form. So I can read for you something that is small, especially for the qualities and things they want from Almina Award. That is an individual who is going to be going home with 100,000 US dollars. One, they will be considering results and scalability. That is a person who has been in business and has already taken grant before. So they will see a track record of business growth and thoughtful plans outlined for the business to scale sustainably. Then the second one, they will see the future business plan, a very clear vision for how to use the 100,000 grant award. Then they will also consider the long-term vision and goals. When I was back after my university and my first job, this is what we used to do. You have to have sleepless nights to make sure that your business plan, your proposal is well outlined. So you guys, let's go down and see exactly who are these and what do they do. Follow with me, read through as I let you go. Thank you very much. Let it end and you'll know what exactly is Glossier Grant Program 2024 is all about. Thank you.